Hello, welcome to Star Collections. In today's episode, we are going to see Coimbatore silk cotton sarees. These sarees are being weaved based on customers' color requirement and design input. It's orange color silk cotton saree. It comes with mini checks all over the body. It has a weaving floral buttas with the contrast turquoise border. It has a very grand pallu. The saree comes with the contrast multicolored checkered blouse. This beautiful saree is priced at Rs 2000. It's a grass green color silk cotton saree. It comes with 1-inch check all over the body with alternative floral and mango buttas. It has a contrast royal blue color border at both the edges. The bottom border has big mango and floral motifs. It has a very rich pallu. It comes with the contrast royal blue blouse with a border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at Rs 2300. It's a brown color silk cotton saree. It comes with self checkered weavings with jari all over the body. It comes with a contrast magenta border with beautiful peacock motifs. It has a very rich pallu. It comes with the running blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 1960. It's a Fanta orange color silk cotton saree. This saree comes with silver buttas all over the body and in the pallu. It has a contrast teal color pallu and contrast teal color blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 2000. It's a Rama green color silk cotton saree with golden and rose buttas all over the body. The saree comes with a very thin rose color border at both the edges. It has a very rich golden pallu. The saree comes with the contrast checkered pink blouse. The saree is priced at 1650 rupees. It's a fire yellow color silk cotton saree. It comes with the silver and golden peacock motifs all over the body. It has a very pretty peacock in the pallu. It comes with the running blouse. The saree is priced at 1560 rupees. It's a peach color silk cotton saree. It comes with contrast double color borders in both the edges. It has golden buttas all over the body along blue parrots. This saree is priced at 1410. It's a maroon color silk cotton saree. It comes with threaded leaf buttas all over the saree. It has a unique human figurines by the bottom border. This saree is priced at Rs 1410. This saree comes with the pre-worked running blouse for neck and sleeves with borders. It's a Rani pink color silk cotton saree. It comes with bigger checks and alternative checks has a golden buttas. It has a golden jari weaving pallu. The saree comes with plain checked running blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 1995. Okay. It's a carrot orange color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with the peach circle weaving buttas with nearby both the edges. The pallu is lemon yellow in color. It comes with a checkered weaving pallu and a plain lemon yellow blouse. The saree is priced at 1650. It's a magenta color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with lotus buttas and alternative golden jari weave checks. The saree has a very grand pallu and border. It comes with a plain running magenta color blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 1850. It's a very rare combination, bottle green color silk cotton saree with lime green color for pallu and blouse. It has geometrical figures, weaved buttas all over the body as well in the pallu. This saree is priced at Rs 1400. It's a mango yellow color self-embossed silk cotton saree. This saree comes with the green triangular patterns in vertical lines all over the body. The saree comes with a very grand golden pallu and it is priced at Rs 1500. It's a peacock blue color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with golden floral buttas all over the saree. It has a green color weaving border for both the edges. The saree comes with the contrast jari weaved maroon pallu. It has a plain maroon blouse with border for the sleeves. This rare combo saree is priced at Rs 1470. It's a multicolor silk cotton saree. The bottom border has beautiful peacock motifs and it has a very rich pallu. The saree comes with a running blouse. It's priced at Rs 1500. It's a ocean blue color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with golden and pink peacock motifs all over the saree. It has an alternative color border, pink and green by both the edges. The saree comes with the contrast jacket blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 1470. It's a two-tone peach silk cotton saree. The saree comes with green and golden peacock motifs all over the saree. It has a very pretty green peacock patterns in the pallu. The saree comes with the contrast green jacket checks blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 1650. It's a Ferris blue silk cotton saree. It comes with the pink and golden circle buttas all over the body. The saree has alternative colors in either side of the border. It has a pink floral weaving pallu. The saree is priced at 1350. It's a mango yellow self-embossed silk cotton saree. This saree comes with the purple border with Buddha face motifs at both the edges. This saree comes with the purple jacket weaving, similar blouse and pallu. It's priced at Rs 1500. It's a magenta pink silk cotton saree. It comes with the violet border with double rows of peacock and floral buttas in the border. The saree comes with a very rich pallu and a plain Pepsi blue blouse. This beautiful saree is priced at Rs 2100. Thanks for watching. For any enquiries, please contact at 9498370037.